Oh, you know, sometimes I forget natural hair can do that. So as you can see, my ends came out really nice. So what I'm going to do is give it a little bit of a trim because it's needing. But it grew a lot, right? Yes. I still have my top long. The top of my hair is thinner than the rest, as you can see. It's quite see-through. So I'm just going to give it a trim. You know, a little trim never hurt nobody. Let's get these ends looking nice and crisp, okay? So it's really simple how I like to do it. I'm just going to go down the middle. You can see, right? So I'm just going to go down the middle. I mean, because you're cutting your hair yourself, right? So you can't really see the back. My hair's too long. It's not like it's hair anymore, so I can't really, even if I got back there, I wouldn't be able to cut a straight line. So now with the hair forward, just like this. Good posture. Good posture is important. You don't want it to be crooked, even though it's a good chance of it being crooked anyway, because you're doing it yourself. I'm looking at the hair underneath here, okay? I'm just pulling, you see at the side? So this is the hair from underneath. Push that out the way. Okay. I'm going to look directly in my mirror, okay? So I'm straight to my mirror. I'm just going to cut off that little bit. Okay? We're going to do the same thing to the other side, okay? So I'm just going to pull it in close. We're not doing a major haircut, guys. So we kind of just bring them together. And you just kind of even them out. And boom. So already, that looks so good. Right off the bat, you can see how good it looks. So now I'm going to take this a little bit more of the hair off the top. Don't stab yourself. I literally almost stabbed myself just now. So now I have a guide. I can see right there all the extra hair that I need to cut. Okay. Sorry, my camera died. All right. Back at it. So I'm actually going to take this top layer away. And I'm just going to cut along that guide. You can see it right there, right? Right where I need to cut, right? Ooh. Okay. Oh, that feels so much better already. Now I'm just going to take it down the middle. Even though that's not where I want my part to be, I'm just going to take it down the middle real quick. Those roots are straight. That iron did me justice. So now you're going to take some of that hair as a guide again. I can see my guide right there. And just going to cut that. Boom shakalaka. Yes. Nice and crisp. Doesn't that look so much better? Oh, it feels so much better too. Oh yes, the ends feel like so much healthier. Those ends were doing the most. Now, let me see what it looks like in the back.
No, she wasn't ready.
Okay, so you can see my hair is in the back. It's got a little bit of a, it's not like completely like this. It's got a little slight little bend to it. As far as the shape is kind of like this a little bit. That's totally fine. But I can feel that all the hair on the bottom has been trimmed. So this is the hair closest to the middle and it's been trimmed. So that's good. So, and when you pull it to the back, it has a little bit of a gradient, which looks really nice and neat. So, back to my side part, because that's what I'm all about. I'm super happy, and I just want to trim my top a little bit. I'm going to pull the chair down some, so you guys can see me trim the top. This is just like a touch-up. This is not like a shaping of a haircut. I'm looking at my mirror. I'm just going to trim a little sharpen off the top. Not too much. Just a little taste. Now I want to give it a little bit of a curl. Get my side part popping. my hair is thinning right here. You know, that's genetics. It's got nothing to do with nothing as far as me not taking care of my hair. It's just who I am and who I was supposed to be. The hair is just got a little bit finer. You gotta just love who you are. That includes your hairline, people. And I'm gonna put a little twirl, you know. I'm gonna go up this way. Oh, yes. Oh, I love that. It's like butter. It's going through like butter. And I don't have to fight and fuss with the ends anymore because they are trimmed. A nice healthy trim. I know you liking that curl or whatever. Yes, bish. You can also use this as a finishing oil. So I'm just going to take just a little bit. You know, we don't want to weigh it down. It's a silk press, so it should have lots of bounce, you know. That's the point. It's not supposed to be weighed down with a ton of product. Just start on the ends. Oh, you know, sometimes I forget natural hair can do that. Yes, natural hair. The edge control I used was this Eden Body Works Control Edge Glaze Coconut Shea. Yeah, I like this stuff. It's clear. It's really cool. If you are super against heat, then you want to trim it when it's natural, and I have a video on how to do that. And I will leave that link somewhere up here too, okay? Yeah, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't be stingy with those likes. And of course, if you're not subscribed, you're going to hit the red subscribe button and the little bell next to it. They go hand in hand. You don't want to forget that. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next Kimmy Boutiki video. Mwah.